间公主 HFP 3
The female choreographer Momo embraced by Wang Yibo. Did you see the little motorcycle under the lemon tree? Although the team gala of singing and laughing has come to an end, but I believe many friends are still immersed in the team gala, the wonderful performance of Captain Wang Yibo who reproduced the slash moment. The leader of Yibo in the big party has a liberating nature, and one person plays multiple roles. Not only was it amused, but the wonderful magic stunned everyone. After relaxing, the more tense team battle also followed. Fortunately, the 5 straight men of the Wang Bang team don't need to continue to stare at them. Finally got my wish and got an excellent choreographer, also waiting for the brother to fight together. This season's hip hop, in addition to the eye-catching hip hop gods from all over the world, 2 outstanding female dancers from Japan are even better. To the special attention of the majority of motorcycle sisters. Recently, a choreographer from Japan has spread all over the internet. The reason is not all because of her dance works, but because she got the soft spot from quick eye Wang Yibo. In an instant, everyone knew that there was an excellent choreographer from Japan. Momo Koyama not only got the exclusive gift peach gift box from Captain Yibo, also got a warm hug from Yibo. For a time, under the lemon tree was crowded with small motorcycles with envy on their faces. Whacking Queen Ibuki, who has successfully embraced Wang Yibo, has not finished heating the vinegar. Choreographer Momo sent another big dank talk back to talk, smile back to smile. Have to say, Xiao Shantao chose Wang Yibo's team really wisely. While other teams are enjoying Chinese culture at the team's house leisurely and comfortably, the team members led by Captain Wang Yibo are already summing up the lessons of failure. And when choosing the team members, Momo Koyama as the choreographer was locked in advance. The reason for being a straight man is as simple as that. I especially need a choreographer, an old school style choreographer. After reading your work several times, I found that you are very good at it. And very energetic, I like it very much. I need a choreographer very much now. Very much. I also know that my current team situation is very bad. But rest assured, I will definitely give you a good choreography environment. Please trust me. The 6 very show sincerity, and the 6 peaches are very carefree. For a straight man, he doesn't speak flattering words. There is no excessive coldness and warmth. Even if I enter Momo's room for a private chat, his words are only promises. I want you to lead. I will let the choreographer have more say in it. For Wang Yibo, his choice of partners has nothing to do with gender. What he fancied was the individual abilities of the dancers. As a leader, he delegates power, stabilize the rear, commit resources to be deployed by you, let you work hard in front without any worries. For Momo, pressure and opportunity coexist. Is it to choose the comfort zone to play a dispensable role? Let's overcome all obstacles and shine with the great God. Anyone who is motivated, or ambitious people will choose Wang Yibo team. After all, for Koyama Tao, the first is a dancer named Momo. Next is a girl named Momo. Facing Yibo's sincere confession, I believe no one can refuse. This also includes Momo. A beauty rescue hero drama is about to kick off. Original is not easy, do not carry it. If you have special needs, private chat authorization, Bajawa say, sincerely Sai, this. Just Street Dance is really a magical stage. Here you can not only see a blog that is still happy after losing the game. You can also see the slash and a bow of a program one person plays 5 roles. You can even see Yibo who sweats for love. But never expected, I can actually see keeping a gentleman's distance from women all the time, but cruelly embrace the female dancers Yibo. Fingers interlocked, a face of joy and pride that can't be concealed. But, that. Ahem Momo. Have you noticed the little motorcycle under the lemon tree?